1, 2, 3, go! Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting to the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under the thing? But no. Do you know there's still a chance for you? Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like a part of July. Baby, you're a firework. Come and show them what you're worth. You can go. We can go. Come on, let your colors reach. We can go. You're gonna sing again. Ano na? Ang tinitingnan mo. Tapos na. Ito po ang drawing ni Gian. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original. You cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe you're the reason why all the doors are closed. So you could open one that leads you to a perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will blow. And when it's time you'll know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Come on, light.
Sayawan mo si Tada.
Like a part of July.
Tawa sasayaw.
Baby, you're a firework. Come on,
Sayawan mo, sayaw.
You can go.
Tita. Apet din.
Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you. It's not the time to
Wag tatanggalin, wag.
come, baby, you're you work. Come on, let the dollars burn. You can go. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the boom,